Today I want to talk to you guys about the stars really quick. So I was on Facebook and I'm a part of this like astrology group, and someone posted their natal chart and they were like, someone please tell me why I am so sensitive, and they mentioned that they don't have control over their emotions and they lash out and get destructive and stuff. And I did look at their chart and I could see some of the reasons why they might be inclined to be that way. But also, I just wanted to stress how important it is to understand that the things that we use in life to understand ourselves, like our natal charts, some people use like human design, some people do psychology, there's different things that we can look at to see like why we have a certain disposition in life. But the viewpoint that I like to take and hold is that there's an astrologer I follow and they say the stars impel us but do not compel us. And I love that saying because the stars and your natal chart is more so like a map. So imagine you have like a maze, right? And in that maze, there's certain pathways that you can take in order to get to the center or to get out or whatever, like the labyrinth. And just because there are certain ways that, it twists and turns, you can always create your own path. You can always create your way out or your way to the center. And so I look at the natal chart the same way. It's like, yes, I was born under the influence of these stars, but it does not mean that I am bound to operate in these energies. These energies will just be present in my life, and they might even be present in me, but it's my choice to activate them or leave them dormant. So when you're looking at your natal chart and you say like, oh, I have an Aquarius sun, I'm going to be detached. That's not always true. And we know there's more energies that we have. We have like a sun sign, a moon sign, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, all these things. There's, you have to be the master of your temple and the master of the energies that flow within you. And so I think it's just a good rule of thumb to remember that you have control over your energies, and the stars will strongly impel you and kind of persuade you to act out in certain energies, but it'll never compel you, which is to force you to do something. With me just being a Scorpio, I've learned personally that yes, you will have the strong inclination to think a certain way about things off the bat. But that's why, it's important to surround yourself with people of different energies and different signs and learn from other people within your community, knowing that, hey, there are other alternative ways for me to think about this situation, for me to approach life. And it is my duty to understand what I naturally feel inclined to do and what I see as another option, and weigh out what makes the most sense and what is the wisest thing for me to do in this situation. So that's my little 2 cents about how you should view astrology, your natal chart, and things like regarding horoscope and things like that. I never really used the stars or astrology and stuff to predict what's going to happen in my life, or to give me the guidance of how my day will flow or something. I literally just use it as a forecast to say oh, it's rainy over here. Okay, cool. Now I know how to prepare. Or this energy is high. Okay, cool. Well, I know what type of energy I'm working with personally from my experiences, and who I've grown to know who I am. So now I know how to prepare. So yeah, I do plan to produce some astrology videos here on this channel, but honestly, this is just part of me documenting my life, a vlog, the thoughts that I have that pass my mind. And yeah, I don't want to be bound to one thing. Some of you are here for jewelry lessons, and yes, more of those are coming. What I do will be all expansive because that's just who I am. I'm multifaceted, and so I'd like to talk about many different things and explore many different topics. And if you have anything you want to hear about from my perspective, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. And hopefully you all are learning more about yourselves through your natal chart and just beginning to understand who you are and your place in this world and what type of energies you're working with and how you can use them to your advantage to thrive. So that's all I have for you today. Peace out. Enjoy your day and stay cool.